All right, stock ticker symbol OWCP. Again, this is one that we've covered multiple times, but for you guys that are new to this one, and I say it pretty much in every video, me and Joe started covering this one back here in September, right there in that area when it was brought to us on YouTube, and it hit as high as of 17,000% when it hit this high up here. It's pulled back, it went down, touched that 20-day simple moving average right here, and then you guys see what's going on now. It's starting to bounce off of it. Let's take a look at what I said. The last time that we looked at this is going to be on that red line right there. I said, watch for this to start moving back up with buying. If selling continues, it could test a 30-day simple moving average. So I remember when I looked at this, you know, I warned you guys. I said over here on the 25th right here. I said, watch one more day of sideways and it might make another move. Well, guess what? It didn't. That buying pressure didn't return. And then pull this up as much as I can, guys. There's a lot of stuff to look at. 27th, I said, watch for a bounce off of the 66 10-day. It might drop to the 20-day simple moving average to 55 cents. And you hit a low of 53 right there in that range. Oh, literally right there where I've foreseen that happening. No, now you got the interest buying and the buying picking back up, guys. OWCP is going to be on watch for next week to continue making its move back up. It doesn't seem to be too much of a gap in this area. Keep an eye on that, though. It really comes down to the buying pressure. I think you're going to see this bounce off the 10-day simple moving average now that it's above there. 70, watch for the move off of the 10-day simple moving average, buying to continue. If selling starts, going to need to hold that 10-day simple moving average. Either way, it's going to be that bounce off of there that we're going to be looking for. So, Joe, would you like to add anything onto this?
All right, so there was a filing. There's no recent news since the last time we went over, and the latest was on 2/2, so February 2nd, 2017. It was an 8K, and it was basically on February 1st, 2017, following the very encouraging results that have been achieved at the midpoint of the study. The registrants, board of directors, and the management of scientific personnel of OWC Limited have determined to extend the size of the scope of the study for the purpose of, among other things, checking the biological markers that have been generated to date with respect to the treatment of psoriasis. Despite extending its size and scope of the study, the registrant expects to complete the study within the same projected time frame. So that's pretty much it. They did an 8K just to say that they're extending the scope of their research or something. Well, that's pretty much it.
Okay, so again, Joe, thank you very much for going over that. And for all you guys that follow OWCP, remember, investorshangout.com is completely free, unlimited posts, messages from user to user. You're able to get the company profile, time of sales, recent news, filings, financials, all available over here. Look at this information that you guys can get. Again, completely free. Most other sites charge for this information. So if you follow this, OWCP, we really encourage you to get out there, share this video with everybody you guys know, and continue adding to this awesome community. Again, that is OWCP, and if for any case you're watching this and you're not only invested in this and you have other stocks that you're interested in, drop us a line and we will cover that stock too over on investorshangout.com/live. Say, hey, we want, I'd like to see a video on this, and me and Joe will jump onto it. Again, that is OWCP, investorshangout.com/live for the live stream.